You have reached Anaton Enterprises. We can't take your call at the moment. Please leave a message after the beep and we'll get back to you. This is Gen Satiated support. If you have a problem with your radio, please contact us during normal business hours. Thank you. This is a test broadcast of the emergency airwaves. This is a test, do not be alarmed. This is a test. The number you've reached is not in service. Please check the number and dial again. Thank you. We are experiencing technical issues. There is no cause for alarm. Please be at ease. This is a test of the automatic paging system. Repeat. This is a test. If you would like to make a call, please hang up and dial again. If you need help, please hang up and dial your